Hello friends, my name is Vanshika and welcome to our YouTube channel of RMC Education. So today we will talk about why is NEET important for MBBS. The National Eligibility Cum Entrance Examination is also known as NEET. It is a common entrance examination for the medical aspirants, and NEET is conducted to determine the qualification or the eligibility of the students to get admission for MBBS and other undergraduate medical courses in approved and recognized medical colleges in India and abroad. With the enforcement of the National Medical Council Act 2019, from 2020 onwards, the NEET exam has become a mandatory entrance examination to get MBBS admission to all the medical institutions. This includes the admissions to all Indian Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS and the Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research (AIPMET) in Pondicherry. NEET examination is conducted by the National Testing Agency (NTA). NTA is an independent organization established by the Ministry of Human Research Development (MHRD) and Government of India (GOI). NTA takes care of all the NEET exam requirements from students' registration to conducting the examination. Then the result declaration. And NEET exam is important because it is the only medical entrance exam conducted in India. So this includes the admission to MBBS course in all government medical institutions and also the admission to AIIMS and AIPMET, as entrance examination to AIIMS and JIMER have been replaced by NEET. And NEET eligibility category: minimum percentage required जनरल 50%, PWD 45%, OBC के लिए और SC ST के लिए 40%. So if you also want to pursue your MBBS from abroad, then visit RMC Education, as it is one of the eminent organization helping you to select the best and suitable university to achieve their dream of becoming a qualified doctor. And we have direct tie-ups with the top universities. Thank you.